Hi, first grade. We're joined today by my very sleepy dog, Luna. She says hi. We're going to look at art from China today and create a very beautiful cherry blossom tree. I can't wait to see your art. Looking at art in China. If we take a look at the world map, we live here in the United States, and China is all the way over here across the ocean from us. Let's talk about ancient China. Ancient China produced many types of beautiful works of art. Different eras and dynasties had different specialties. They were interested in swirling lines, animals, nature, flowers, rocks, and water. The Chinese artists wanted to express the relationship between people and nature. Such beautiful art. They thought there were three perfections, and these were calligraphy, poetry, and painting. Often, these would be combined together in their art. These became important starting with the Song dynasty. So here you can see there is a painting. A calligraphy is a style of writing, so that's all their words up at the top, and it's a poem. So this picture combines those three perfections. Calligraphy is the art of handwriting. They considered handwriting to be an important form of art. Calligraphers would practice for years to learn to write perfectly and with style. Each of the over 40,000 characters needed to be drawn precisely. Painting was often inspired by poetry and combined with calligraphy. Many paintings were landscapes that featured mountains, homes, birds, trees, and water. Take a look at these beautiful cherry blossom trees. Today we're going to create a drawing of our very own cherry blossom trees, and then we'll even try adding some calligraphy. Before we begin this drawing, remember you can pause the video after each step whenever you need more time. Begin by writing your name and class code. We're going to have our tree branch going from the side and then spreading out on the other side. I'm going to use brown, pink, and then blue for the sky. I'm going to start with my brown. I like to turn my paper when I'm drawing the tree branch and then use my finger to find the middle and go up a little. Start by drawing a short line, which you will connect vertical lines going all the way down to the bottom of your paper. To create more branches, start at the corner and draw a diagonal, kind of wavy line going to the edge, and then I'm going to double it, slowly getting closer as I reach the edge of that branch. Notice how these two branches connect in the middle. I'll continue adding more branches using this process. So they start off thick at the bottom and get skinny to a point at the top. Notice you can cross your branches. You can draw some branches that are just lines. Just make sure you have lots of branches on your paper. Once you feel like you have enough branches, go ahead and color the whole thing in. Now I'm going to switch to my pink crayon, but you could use red or any color that you want. Notice I'm just drawing a little cloud shape for my flowers, and then I'll color those in. So you want to get a whole bunch of these. I'm going to draw a whole bunch all over my tree, and then I'll go back and color them all in. Now we're going to write the word art in calligraphy, since calligraphy is one of the three perfections. Start with a horizontal line and two short vertical lines crossing it. You're going to draw a kind of curved Z under it with a little curve on the end. Underneath that, draw a lowercase letter T, and from the corner, draw a diagonal line and then another diagonal line on the other side. A short curved line up near the top. Next, I'm going to take my blue crayon and draw a big circle for the sun. I'm going to color in the area around it and leave the sun white like we saw in their beautiful art. Remember when you're coloring to use good craftsmanship. Stay in the lines, fill in the peekaboos, and color the whole picture. Once you are finished, take a picture of your art and then click the link below this video and it will take you to the Google Doc to submit your work.